Good morning to all. So in our last class we finished till shape of the earth, right? So earth is spheroid in shape, spheroid or geoid. It is known as spheroid, spherical or geoid in shape. That is, it is spherical but slightly flattened at the poles, like this one. You can see this, it is little flattened at the pole side. It is round in shape like a football. Okay, so I took this potato just to give examples of revolution of moon. Okay, so earlier people believed that the earth was flattened. Okay, that slowly what happens, people realize that the earth is circular in shape. How they realize? Suppose some people at the sea, this is earth. Okay, so if people are in the sea here, then what they show that some people are coming, means some people far away from these people. Suppose these people are standing here. Okay, if they are coming this side little, then they will start seeing little portion of the people, yes or no? And when they will come near, then they will start seeing the whole person, yes or no? This is given here. If one observes a distant ship, means if one observes, suppose one ship is here and another ship is here. If one observes the ship, then people will see that the ship is coming little nearer to us. Means half people, means the head, people will see at first the head, then slowly they will start seeing the neck, then hands, body, then lastly both, yes or no? That is why people brought a concept that the earth is circular in shape, because at first they start seeing the top portion and after that slowly they see the body parts. That's why people discovered that the earth is round in shape. The shadow cast by the earth on the moon, so the earth's shadow falls on the moon and it is round in shape. The shadow of the earth which fall on the moon is circular in shape. That's how the astronauts thought that the earth is round in shape. Okay, suppose when you will go near the light, then what will happen? A shadow will cast, yes or no? In shadow, what you will see? Two legs, two hands, one face, then body, yes or no? As like that, the shadow of the earth is also was round in shape. That's why it was discovered that earth is round in shape. And again another thing, how we can know the earth is round in shape. So you know, there are various satellites sent to the space. By the satellite also the astronauts took images of the earth, and by that way also the astronauts know that the earth is circular in shape. Then next, the moon. So what you know about moon? Moon is a natural satellite of the earth, yes or no? Means the moon gives light to the earth. And from where do the moon receive light? The moon receives the light from sun. So you know about satellites. What is the role of satellite? You tell me. Why people use satellite? So that through satellites, people send some kind of information to the satellites. Okay, I will show one diagram here. So I am showing you here. Suppose this is the satellite. Okay, people used to send satellite to space. Yes or no? So what is the main aim of satellite? The main aim of satellite is, suppose here are TV channels. Okay, news channels are here. Here are news channels. So what the news channels will do? They will transmit information through the towers. Okay, through the towers, the information will send to the satellite. Understood? From the towers, the main aim of towers is they send information to the satellite, and it comes back to the earth, and we can see in the news channels and all. Okay, also we get network, you know, Geo network, Airtel network. By these satellites only we used to get network, and these satellites are located in space. Yes or no? They move, they revolve around the earth. The satellite used to revolve. So what is the natural satellite of the earth? The natural satellite is moon. Yes or no? The moon is the natural satellite. Natural means what? Natural means which is given by God. Like trees, human being are all natural. Yes or no? But the satellites are what? Satellites are natural or what? The satellites are not natural. The satellites are made by human beings. Yes or no? As like that, these satellites are artificial satellite as it is made by human being. And this is, the moon is natural satellite. So what does the moon do? Suppose this is the sun. Sun is very big, okay? And this is the earth. Suppose this is the earth. So what do the moon do? The moon receive light. Receives light from the sun, and it sends back to the whom? It sends back to earth. Yes or no? The moon sends the light to the earth at night. Understood? So moon is known as the natural satellite as it gives light to the earth at night. The moon is the only satellite on the earth located at a distance of, you see, how much far? What is the distance? This is the distance between the earth and the moon. How much distance is? 3,84,400 kilometer. Yes, so far it is. So if you want to know about kilometer, then you say from your home to school, how much kilometer? It is how much far? You can see in Google, from your home to school, how much kilometer? From my home to school, it is only 2.2 kilometer. Okay, 2 kilometer from our home. So you see, 3 lakh kilometer means it is so far away from the earth. Yes or no? It is our nearest neighbor. So moon is considered as the nearest neighbor. The diameter of the moon is about 1/4 of that of the earth. So 1/4 means what? This is earth. If you divide it into four part, then what will happen? Only this much part is the moon. So moon is only one part. If you divide four part, moon is only 1/4 of the earth. Understood? So if the earth is this much, then the moon is this much. If the earth is this much, the moon is this much, because only fourth area is the moon. So you see, I am giving one example here. Okay, the moon revolves around the earth. It takes 27 days to complete one orbit around the earth. Interestingly, it takes exactly the same time to complete one rotation on its axis. That is why we always see only one side of the moon. Suppose this is the earth, okay, and this is the moon. What it does? It revolves around the earth. Yes or no? The moon revolves around the earth. How much days it takes? It takes 27 days to complete one orbit. Orbit means one line. Okay, it takes 27 days to complete one line or one orbit. So in one day, it can show only one part. And again, it will go to next day, then it will show another part. Again, it will go to next day, it will show another part. Means it takes a total 27 days to revolve around the sun. And also it shows in one day, it only shows one side of the moon. That's why we can see only one side of the moon. Okay, but if you see that this is the sun, then this is the earth. The earth revolves around the sun. Yes or no? What happened? The earth used to, in 24 hours, one round it takes. Yes or no? That's why we can see day also, we can see night also. Understood? So for this concept, you can see another video on YouTube. Then it will be more clear to you. Okay, why the moon takes, why we can see only one side of the moon. If you see on YouTube, then you will get it. Understood? Then phases of the moon is also same. You can see this one. It takes 27 days to move around the earth. Yes or no? Suppose this is the sun. So when it will go back of the earth, then it will become complete dark. Yes or no? The moon will become complete black when it will go at the back of the earth. Suppose this is the sun. This is the moon. So when it will go backside, it cannot receive light from the sun. Yes or no? can the moon receive light from the sun if it is backside of the earth? No, it cannot receive the sunlight. Yes or no? That's why in this position it is known as Amavasya or new moon, means new moon. Again, if it will go slowly this side, then when it will go this side, then it will see little, it will face little sunlight. Therefore, only little part of the moon we can see after Amavasya. Then again it will go this side, then more sunlight. The moon will receive more sunlight. Then more portion of the moon will receive sunlight, and we can see half of the moon when it will be here. Then it will go this side, then again more sunlight the moon will receive. Yes or no? And if it will come in the middle of the sun and the earth, then it will become whole bright. We can see the whole moon. Yes or no? Just because it is directly straight to the sun. The earth, on that day, the earth will see Purnima. Purnima means the full moon. Okay, Amavasya means new moon. Understood? Again, slowly it will go backside. Then it will become little darker, darkest. Then again it will become little lighter, lighter. And here it will become brightest. Understood? So this how the moon revolves around the earth. Understood? This moving is known as revolving. Moving. So the moon used to revolve around the earth, and earth used to revolve around the sun or not? The earth used to revolve around the sun. Okay, you know this concept also, because backside you will get to know very much. Very many concepts are there, you will come to know. So these things you need to clear it right now. Okay, so what you will do, if you don't understand, then you see another YouTube videos. Okay, this is all for today. So next day we will start a political part. Okay, thank you.